Hey guys, Haspa here with WTI.
I've been influenced and I had to get this eos Vanilla Cashmere Lotion. It's become one of my daily favorites, and if you love smelling like warm vanilla, this lotion is addictive. Trust me. And what I especially love is how creamy it feels without it being greasy. It sinks into my skin right away, but still leaves it soft and hydrated for hours. The scent is what got me hooked. It's that cozy, sweet vanilla, almost like a soft dessert, but not too strong. I get compliments every time I wear it, especially from my husband, even when I'm not wearing any perfume. So that's a lot to say. I also really like that it has shea butter because I use it after showering or before bed, and I can actually feel the difference in my skin the next day. There's no stickness, no residue, just smooth, moisturized skin. And it's one of those lotions that turns into a little self care moment. It feels so good. It feels like a little ritual. So I've been caught by my husband using it a few times because it just feels so good. So if you're into warm, comforting scents and skin that actually stays soft, this is a must have.
But that's just my point of view.